But I think the most important thing was actually in real time looking at the different financial implications. And this is huge on the energy side, but even on the car buying side, what would be my monthly cost if I was to buy it and own it? What would be the difference if I put down a bigger down deposit? What rebates were available? And it ended up being there was actually more rebates available through the leasing program than there was through the buying program, which I was surprised at. And then the leasing program, the rates were half the price of what the ultimate financing. So for all of these reasons, we ended up leasing 3-year lease, 0% financing, ability to buy it out or give it back after 3 years. And particularly as the energy industry is moving quite quickly, I wanted that optionality. And on the energy side, it would be the same. Do we want to own this asset and be responsible for operating it, maintaining it? Do we have any preferences around cost of capital? Do we have better cost of capital than someone else? Versus, do we want someone else to finance it, build it, own it, operate it, either through energy as a service or a lease agreement? What happens at the end of that agreement? Do I own it? Do I have to give it back? What's the rate at which I could own it? And so all of these scenarios are super interesting. And it was amazing to see the parallels between just me going through it on a personal level and trying to crunch the numbers and having to run my own spreadsheets, and then thinking about how we've managed to automate that whole process for our customers as they're thinking through how should I think about buying this energy system.